Miss Pop. I'm a New York City-based nail artist, and normally you'd find me working on photo shoots or backstage creating looks for runway shows, or even doing a celebrity's manicure for the red carpet. But right now, you know where you're gonna find me? Right at home in my nail studio. So I wanted to welcome you and thank you so much for giving me an excuse to wear my brand new headband and teach you how to remove your gel nails. It's something on every nail enthusiast's mind right now, right? You've got these fabulous nails and unfortunately someday they're gonna have to come off. That day in your mind should be 2 weeks from the appointment where they got put on. That's like a rough estimate. There are exceptions, especially as we wash our hands a lot. You might even find that you want to remove them sooner because there could be lifting. First and most importantly, acetone. 100% is best. It'll be the fastest, most efficient way to get your gels off. But don't worry if you don't have 100% acetone. Acetone-based nail polish removal will work. It'll just take a little bit longer, so be patient. Next thing you'll need is some cotton. Just a few squares or balls should do. A file, you'll need a file, and an orange stick. Now, an orange stick might not be lying around your house, so maybe use a chopstick from that takeout. A little wooden something that can help you kind of push off some of the gel as it crumbles would be great. And the thing you have sitting around your kitchen, tin foil. So I know you're used to filing the edge of your nail, but when removing gels, it's wise to file over the top. Now it may seem counterintuitive to file this way, but it actually cracks the color and lets the acetone soak in better. Not every brand requires it, but it's a safe bet if you're gentle. Don't get near the natural nail, but if you can just dull the color, get that shine off, the gels will remove faster. The next step, you want to cut the foil into squares that will fit nicely over your size finger. You're going to want to fold it over and wrap it, so you want to make sure that you give yourself enough space to do that. Err on the side of more foil is better than less foil. So now you want to break up your cotton into small pieces that fit over the size of your nail. So what you're going to do is you're going to saturate that cotton ball and you're going to put it on top of your fingernail exactly. Then you're going to wrap your fingernail in that piece of tinfoil square and fold it down. For one more step of added pressure, you're going to take your other hand and wrap it around your finger and squeeze it so it's there really tight. You can really feel the foil up against your skin. Once you have your hand or hands foiled up, wrap it in a cotton hand towel. It provides extra warmth, and that warmth and that heat helps. Now here comes the hard part, being patient. Let your nails soak. So be patient, put something good on TV, scroll on your phone, do whatever you want to do, but be patient. Give yourself time. Some gels come off in 5 minutes, which is very rare. Some in 10, some in 15. 15 is probably a good middle ground. Some come off in 30. It really depends on how many layers of color you have, what the product is. There are a lot of variables. So the key is to be patient. Now, gently using that orange stick, you're going to see that the gel has crumbled. It's flaky. You feel like you could just push it off really easily if you just went boop and it would just bam. That's a technical term, boop and bam. But so if you don't feel that way and you feel like, oh, I've got to push, no. What you want to do is just re-soak it. Get that cotton ball out, soak it in acetone, rewrap in foil, and be patient. Give it another few minutes. You can do this a few times. There's no harm in doing it over and over again. It might be a little annoying, but the goal is to get the gel off safely. Congratulations! You removed your gel! Woo! I'm so proud. You have no idea. It's not easy. I know. But you did it, and now you need to reward yourself by doing what everyone's telling you to do. Wash your hands. You want to make sure that you get all that residue off, and you might notice that your hands look a little dry. You might see a little ashiness around your fingertips. Don't worry. The next step, it's going to be gone. So wash your hands, and then when you come back, what you'll want to do is apply cuticle oil and hand cream. You'll rehydrate your nail beds, you'll rehydrate your fingers and your fingertips. It feels so good, and then you're officially done with your gel removal and ready for your next mani, dare I say? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had an easy time removing your gels and you're looking at those bare nails wondering what to do with them now. Well, don't worry, I've got you. Coming soon, I'm gonna have a couple videos for you about some creative, fun, and easy nail art ideas you can do at home, so stay tuned.